Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Imqiraas Tech. We are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Vivo Y12. But before the start of the video, as usual, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, Chinese tech giant Vivo will launch Y12 in the upcoming days. It is expected that the handset will be released with its 15 variant. This is an entry-level handset that will be packed with powerful specifications. The launching of Vivo Y12 shows that manufacturers want to continue the Y series as it has been one of the most productive series for the company. The members of this series mainly belong to the budget range smartphones. Vivo's Y12 has got a reasonable price tag that shows this smartphone will be downgrade of the Y series till now. The upcoming handset has got two variants. Vivo Y12 is powered by Helio P22 SoC. The SoC of the first variant is paired with 4GB of RAM that is responsible for the fast execution of the multitasking. Being a budget smartphone, Vivo Y12 has got enough storage as it is packed with 64GB of internal storage. The storage of the handset look below the standard, but being a budget smartphone, it is enough storage to store a lot of data. The Vivo has introduced a triple rear camera setup in Y12. The main sensor will be 13 megapixel. The wide angle sensor will be 8 megapixel while the depth sensor will be 2 megapixel. On the front, the notch display screen holds an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. The Y12 has a 6.2 inches IPS LCD display screen that will present Full HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. The handset holds a 5000 mAh battery. The battery of the new Y12 is really on the high side and it will give you enough time to enjoy watching the screen for a long time. The rear muted fingerprint sensor of Y12 will give you extra protection and will prevent your data from stealing. The operating system of the next smartphone of the Y series is Android 9.0 Pie, which means that the Y12 by Vivo is having a latest OS. The price of the handset is $170. This is an reasonable price for a smartphone for this quality. Now we can say that the upcoming Vivo Y12 will be a real threat for other tech giants like Samsung, Huawei and Sony.